Hey you! Hello everyone. Thanks for clicking. I'm official Keem Reacts. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So to all the people who are from Bulgaria, welcome. This is my first time ever being into such country and to learn about its music. So at this point, I'll be checking out DARA, and the track that I'll be checking out is called Bangaranga. First time checking out this track, so this is a national final performance representing the Eurovision contest. So with that being said, let's see what's up, let's see what's going on. Peace.
All my life, surrender to the blinding lights. No one's gonna sleep tonight.
I'm alive. Surrender to the blinding light. No one's gonna sleep tonight. So I guess this is a party song. Mm. Loving the concept so far.
Welcome to the riot. All my life, surrender to the blinding lights. No one's gonna sleep tonight. Welcome to the riot. I'm the Bangarang, Bangaranga, Bangaranga, Bangaranga. I'm the Bangarang, Bangaranga, Bangaranga, Bangaranga. I'm the Bangarang. Blinding lights. Welcome to the riot. I'm the Bangarang. I'm the Bangarang. I'm an angel, I'm a demon, I'm a psycho for no reason.
Oh, oh. Energetic music. Vibing music. Wow. Wow, this is a vibe. This is a this is a vibe, bro. Oh my days, yo. Hey, great moves by the women. Lovely dressing. And she also look gorgeous, bro. The white suits her well. The boot that she's wearing suits her well. Bro, this gotta have you rocking to the beat, bro.
I'm a mover, I'm a teaser, I don't follow, I'm the leader. Let me hype you up, let me hype you up. I'ma let you get to hook, I'ma leave you shook. Come on, surrender to the blinding lights. No one's gonna sleep tonight. Welcome to the riot. I'm the Bangarang, Bangaranga, Bangaranga, Bangaranga. I'm the Bangarang, Bangaranga, Bangaranga, Bangaranga. I'm the Bangarang. Blinding lights. Welcome to the riot.
Okay, so when you speak of delivery, when you speak of beauty, when you speak of great story, when you speak of vibe, she's an inclusion. I gotta say, this music is therapeutic. Very much therapeutic, bro. It calms your soul, it calms your spirit, you know. And good music like this, bro, never fades. Music like this literally take your sorrows and your pain away spiritually, bro. Right? So let's take away all the pain to become pain free, bro. Therapeutic music, dog. As a Jamaican, bro, I'm loving this. Let's continue.
I'm the Bangarang. I'm the Bangarang. I'm the Bangarang. Close to the edge, I can feel it inside. Bodies and bodies and spark back to fly. I'm about to lose my mind. I'm the Bangarang, Bangaranga, Bangaranga, Bangaranga. I'm the Bangarang, Bangaranga, Bangaranga, Bangaranga. I'm the Bangarang. Blinding lights. Welcome to the riot. I'm a rebel, I'm a danger, I'm over for freedom. Let me light you up, let me light you up. Come on, let me put on so deep. I'ma leave you with
Whoa. Whoa. What a terrific song, bro. What great delivery. Yo, speaking of terrific, right? The dancers, the guys that are dancing in the black, bro, very great body movement. You know, the energy that is stirred from this dance, that is stirred from everything that is being combined together here, bro. It's top notch, top tier, bro, top tier. One of the smoothest songs I've heard. One of the smoothest that's I've seen since this competition. Very well. Super voice, mom. Super voice. Your voice is literally a relaxation. It gives you the calmness within you, bro. In this time and age, dog, music like this is needed, bro. And you should keep up the good work, baby girl. Very well done. If I should grade this out of 10, bro, 10 out of 10. Most definitely. So if you guys enjoyed my reaction, don't forget to leave a like. Subscribe, share this to a friend, telling him, her about me, the Jamaican reactor. I'll see you all around. Peace. Mad.